Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia D. I'm all about beauty, fashion, and entrepreneurship. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this look. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see here, I'm just starting off with washing my hair. And now, same old, just drying it with the t-shirt. So I know you guys remember these. We got these the other day. Basically, we're gonna go ahead and put these in. I'm gonna sleep on them overnight, and then I'll show you guys the results in the morning. Alright, so I leave it on for a while just so I can make sure that it's like fully dry and whatnot. You want it to soak up all the moisture. But then we're gonna just take this off and I'll show you guys the blow dry process. So yeah, let's get started on that, and yeah. So it's kind of the same when I do my curly sets. I know you guys have probably seen the other videos. By the way, I got my Old Faithful. Just got it today. So we're gonna use that as a leave-in conditioner. Open it because, like I said, I just got it today. So hold on one sec. There it goes. Alright, so we're going to use about that much for leave-in. We're going to put in some process is done. I'm just combing through it again. And there's a mirror right over here. I'm sure you guys probably figured that out though. So it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit more oil. I use some vitamin E oil. Some vitamin E oil. And we're going to use about that much. Okay, so I'll kind of like keep track on the screen of how many I put in. But this is number 1. So right here in this section, I'm gonna go ahead and use the red one. I want my curls to have like that separation. So then here, I'm gonna go back to the purple. And now, obviously we're just gonna go ahead and go to bed, wake up, and I'll show you guys in the morning. I'll take them out. So these are the 13 by 16 inch. So yeah, I got them from Sally's, if you wanna go check them out. Also, you wanna go to sleep in your bonnet, so I just thought I'd throw that in there. I'm pretty sure everybody knows that by now though. Good morning! So we're back. We're gonna go ahead and take everything out and then we'll show the results. Now we comb. Okay, so once the curls are all combed out, you want to take a pick and just kind of pick through it. Okay, so this is how it turned out. Can we do better next time? Yes, absolutely. But for me, just starting out again, it looks cute or whatever. So yeah, this is the finished look. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe down below if you want to see more videos like this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys.